Okay, so I'm sure you guys have seen tons and tons of Dollar Tree videos. You're probably tired of them. But I went to a Dollar Tree today and I was like, wow, this is literally the best Dollar Tree I've ever found in my whole life. And I need to tell you guys, they exist. You have to find them. But this one I walked in, I had been there once before. And at the time, I hadn't known all like the Dollar Tree videos. I like Dollar Tree, but I didn't know all the things that you could do with all the things from Dollar Tree. Anyway, so I forgot about it, and then my girlfriend told me about one a couple times over that's pretty good. Like that one, it has good stuff. However, I went to this one, I was like, I'm just gonna check it out, see what's there. Dollar Tree bin right there. And I went in, I was like, oh my god, it's like a warehouse. It's so big. It's just like, and I asked the girl, I'm like, are you guys always this well stocked? Because they were stocked. She's like, yeah, pretty much. And I was like, oh. So anyway, we're just going to do, I was like, I have to show you guys. I just have to. So we're going to do a good old fashioned haul video. Like, haven't done one of these in forever. Henry's obviously going to help us. So for spring, I wanted to get some flowers. They had tons and tons of picks at this location. Can you not do that? So there's onion grass and these white flowers. I thought those were pretty for spring. So there's that. Look at this cat. He's something. Look at my bed sheets. I got these at Costco. Aren't they cute? All right, I got this sign. There was a welcome in the check, but those pink and blue. I like the black. I thought that was cool. I did like the welcome better, though. I'll be honest. I found these. Oh, aren't they cute? Little bunny feet. I don't know where I'm going to put them yet, but I think they're adorable. Oh, also this goes with those. Please don't eat 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 those. Stop it. Psst, 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 psst. Come here. Anyway, I got this for their food mat. I thought that was cute. They did not have cat litter at this location. I'm going to put that in between him and the flowers. Okay, sorry. We went and got lunch. All right, so I also got one of these. I have one of these. This is like a garden. Don't mind my room. Look how messy. This is a garden stake. It's a smaller one. I have so many flags. I already have one, but having two isn't a bad idea. I did find, so look at these. These are eggs, Easter eggs, and they're clamshells. I just think they're so cute. Henry wants to help. So I got those for one of the Easter baskets for my girls. I thought these might be cute for Vivian. Thanks, Henry. You're really helpful. I got more of these guys. Yo, homie, what's up? So a bunch of eggs. I thought these would be cute for, I don't know who, Oliver. I don't know. Actually, in here, I don't know. I don't know yet. I have to figure it out. But I like these for Oliver, the little animals. They're not too pink, you know, for him. He's at that age where pink's not in for him. I've seen this in so many YouTube videos. I found one. I will say the ones there, though, a lot of the paint was peeling off, so that's probably a thing that I'm going to have to think about. But I like how it kind of works together. My living room is gray, black. So I figured I'd take a gamble on some of the Dollar Tree kitchen towels. These aren't the best quality, but they are like a microfiber, which is kind of nice. But, like, I just don't have a lot of faith they'll last a while. But they are cute and great for, like, I have a little decorative ladder that it was sent to me from Deco Created, so that's something. All right. Yo, homie, what you doing? Okay, so I have to show you guys. I have a neighbor who decorates, stop that, her tree with these little guys, like different for every holiday. And I've been admiring it for a while, but I couldn't find this type of a decoration. And I was like, it's got to be at a Dollar Tree somewhere. Well, I found it. Hey, stop that. No, stinkeroni, stop it. Ah! Ah! Okay, so I bought some of these for the tree out front. I have a little tree. See if I can show you guys. Look how dusty. See that tree? That's our tree. Look, my cats broke that. That stuff drives me batty. Anyway, all right. I clearly need to dust my blinds. All right, we're gonna forget that though. So I got a bunch of them. I think I got 4. So there's 2. I don't remember. Anyway, there's more of them somewhere. We'll get there, I guess, huh? Right, Henry? Henry. Psst, 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 psst. You can't attack it. Stop that. All right. I did find, I've seen these in 1,000,000 videos. The over-the-door hooks. Oh my gosh. Oops. I got 2 of these. These are really nice quality, by the way, for $1.25. Oh, I found something that was orange, and you guys know orange is my color. Isn't it pretty? I love it. I'll probably put that in my dining room somewhere. Look how big he is. He's not even a year old. Like, why are you so large? Come on, Lorge. Get out of here. He only gets a half cup of food a day, just so we're clear. I don't overfeed him. All right, so I found these as well. Never seen these in store, but I'm so excited. Yay! I got, how many did I get? 2 or 3? I don't remember. 2, I guess. So 2 of those. I spent $85 getting these. Don't tell my husband. All right. These are all-purpose cleaning wipes. I thought these are awesome to keep in the car. They say good for your car, your home, and your hands. So that means that you can, easy on hands. Like, it's not gonna, there's no like chemicals. It's like sterilized water. I don't know what all this stuff is. Hopefully it doesn't give me cancer, you know. All right, what else is in here, Henry? Oh my gosh, why do you have to do, oh, look, it's another one. So there's 3 bunnies. Oh, I saw these little eggs. I thought those were cute. I don't know why I got, they're just gold. I don't know what's so, come on, bud. Come on. All right, I found these guys. Aren't they so cute? Oh my gosh, I just love them. I found 2, so I bought both. Can you not? It's just too bad. Like, come on, dude. Henry, no. Henry, no. Ah! Our oven mitt broke. You know, this little, don't break it before I even use it. This little guy here, we hang it from our cabinet. But I found this one, so yeah, obviously we needed another one. Made for sunny days and has lemons. I thought that was cute. For the Dollar Tree. Yeah. All right, what else is in here, dude? Oh, I got you a collar. Look, I got Henry a collar. He had one with a bow tie. It was so cute, but he figured out how to get it off because it was one of those breakaway collars. Those things are great, except they come off really easy, and my cat's. But I don't even know where that one is, and it had his tag with my phone number on it in case he ever gets loose. So there's 2 gnomes. I found this cereal that I thought my kids would think is awesome, so I got that. The reason I went to the Dollar Tree is to get us some pet food that'll last until we get to Costco. So I bought this. I was also supposed to get cat glitter. They didn't have any, so I need to replace the toilet brush in my downstairs bathroom, and I was gonna try to see. I just don't, it's gross. And I was gonna see, I like the holder though, but it's black, and I want to see if I can somehow swap them out. So that might be my own little DIY. The chip clips things, I like these. I dry herbs, and I have a yarn in my kitchen that I want to hang them from. So, oh my gosh, please leave that separate. 4 bunnies. I hope I didn't forget a bag because I'm not seeing one. Oh, here's one. I found the Garland. I love this. Oh, I've been wanting to find. Can you not? Stinkeroni. All right, I bought 3 of them. I don't know if that's enough, but I bought 3 anyway. These are for Easter candy. I'm also going to show you guys what I got my kids for Easter. I have it in the closet. I figured, what the heck? This will make it a fun video. I like to buy weird things, and I find them. I'm like, ooh, that's out there. So these are watermelon, sour Warhead jelly beans. Super cute. So that'll go with that. I found this little gnome for the garden. I also found this guy. Isn't he cute? Look, his eyes are on. See? Isn't he neat? He's solar operated. I think he's super cute. He has like another one too, but I don't remember what it was. All right, they had tons of beauty items too. I didn't buy any. I found these little carrots. I thought these were really cute. I bought, I think, 4 solar lights just because when they have them, I like to buy them so that I've got them. So there's that. Now and later jelly beans because like also something you don't always see and yummy. I love now and later. These looked really cool. You put these with in your house plants, and it's a fertilizer stick. So that's neat. Yo, homie, what are you doing? I think I've said yo, homie in this video. Oh, these look fun too. Warhead's Ooze Chews, sour filled candy filled with ooze. And then there's one more. Solar light. I'm probably just gonna keep those in a bag to go outside. I needed something to put next to my sink to hold like my sponges. The one I have isn't big enough. Oh, look at my cat. Oh, it looked like he had a little garland on his head. This is probably a little too big, but I just need something so that it's not all just floating around. My girls just don't give. They do the dishes, and so there's my receipt. All right, here's the Easter baskets I got. I got this for Oliver. I'm not really sold on it yet, but I still think it's cute. This is the one I got for Vivian. I thought that was super cute. And then I got one for Penny and Belle. Belle's favorite color is teal. They didn't have a teal basket, but they had a purple basket with a teal ribbon. And for Penny, her favorite color is, look at this cat. He's too much. Yellow. So I thought this was really cute. Anyway, that is everything. I'll be right back and show you all of my Easter candy. Okay, so a couple things besides what you already saw. I found these vanilla frosting kisses. I love the weird like kisses flavors. They're just as fun to me as like the different seasonal Kit Kats. Please don't poop in that. Please don't. He's like digging. If you have a cat, you know exactly what I mean. All right, then I found these sour bright jelly beans from Trolley, like the gummy worms. 2 crawler flavors in 1 bean. I thought that was super cool. I told you guys I love the crazy stuff. Easter design Oreos with green. These are limited edition. They have the bunny on the outside. I found some lemon crisp Kit Kats. I couldn't even tell you where I found this. I think maybe it's at the Dollar Tree. It's in a Dollar Tree bag, but I don't think I found it there. I don't know. Anyway, these I found at our local town grocery store. This is Late Night Taco Truck jelly beans. Now, Brax is a local, I think, company, so you might not be able to find these near you, but there's margarita churro, salsa, guac, beef taco, and horchata flavored jelly beans. This company, where are they from? Chicago. Maybe you can find these near you. I just thought this was a crazy kind of a flavor. My girlfriend found them at our local grocery store and told me about them. I also found these from the same company, Brax. These are funfetti jelly beans. Aren't they fun? I just think they're so cute. All right, I got my kids some ring pops. These I definitely got at the Dollar Tree. These are my absolute faves. The fruity Tootsie Fruit Chews. These are the best. Yes. All right. Pop Rocks, because why not? These sugar-filled carrots, because there's something my kids look like, even though I think they're kind of gross. What's this? Oh, these are also another one I love. The mini eggs. They have the best chocolate inside. I don't know what kind of chocolate they Stamp it! Stamp! Airheads mini bars. More Pop Rocks. I was gonna say when I pulled them out, I have 4 kids and only 3 Pop Rocks, so now somebody's gonna get extra. And then also Warhead's Sour Taffy. So I hope you enjoyed this weird video compilation of different. Look at my. Right. Spring cleaning is coming soon. We're gonna make videos on that. Also, I have something planned in the future for you guys. We're going to start reviewing all the candles because I love all the candles and I love buying all the scents. And I'm like, oh, I could just share my favorite ones. And I finish one like every week, so why not? And then I also love, like, do you guys love wallflowers? I've been buying them. It's just fun. So much fun. Anyway, thank you guys. Don't look at me in the mirror. For coming and hanging out with me. I hope you like this video. If you like this kind of a video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know. Look at my socks. There's so many socks. They're jumping out. Remember in the Nadine West videos when I'm like, oh, I have so many scarves. This is my scarf drawer. Like, it exists. It is a thing and it's full. Oh, also gloves. These were my grandmother's. So there you go. Anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next one.